Hello and welcome back to the Little Farmer's Farm with me, Guru Mafinda. A new structure, a strange alien device has appeared on the Eden plots. So let's go and check that out. We'll take a trip across to old Mac Darby's farm and we'll see Magical Michael and see what he's up to. Alright. Some shenanigans afoot here. Here he is, Magical Mick. What's happening here?
Bought some new ratchets, that's mucker.
Alright. We're getting wind power, boys and girls, or Mick is. He's going to get his turbine up today, fingers crossed. So that's been cushioned now with a few thick layers of that sponge. It's like a tough sponge. A bit like that mat that you do yoga on. And then it's ratchet strapped on. That's solid now against that, but it's going to be packed out further when he puts the front edges on and foams it and what have you. And then that pole's going to be extended, and it's going to stand at around about 12 to 14 feet tall. I think it's ace. The technical side's being done now. That's like a bevel, that, isn't it?
Eh?
A rotator.
What?
A rotator, that.
Yes. Yeah, that is.
Not a boiled potato, but a rotator. That's attached, and the wiring goes down, as you can see there to there. Rosebridge Engineering School, Mick, innit?
Rosebridge, top marks.
All the way. If it had gone to
Straight student, you know what I mean?
It's got approved by the government.
Bit of commentating there from the old monkey hanger.
yeah, a highly technical erection, that, Mick.
Wigging erection now.
Wigging erection, nice and straight and true. That's what you want. Look at that way of midging. We're going to adjust this very, very slightly, get it bang on, and then when the next pole section goes up, it should be nice and straight and strong. We're packing it round there with the timbers and these, just to get that stability going.
We're ready.
And there she is.
The blades on that.
Yeah, get the old helicopter going.
I should have camouflaged it, so when I put him inside, I don't think.
Yeah, we'll have to spray it up olive green. Wouldn't you know it, there's not a breath of wind. Oh, hang on.
Hey,
We're getting a bit of a breath.
Come on! Hey, I've got the name of the wing god. Roman wing god. What's his name, man? That's far better. You had a sun god and a wing god.
Is it Flatus? Flatus Maximus?
Yeah, something like that. The wind god was, I can't remember. We had a sun god and it wasn't, the other one, what's his name? Ra, not Ra.
No, that's Egypt, that.
Romans had a different one. The Roman one was
Helios.
Helios.
Or is that Greek?
Helios, that's the wind one, I think.
No, that's Sun Helios.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Romans is Sol, S-O-L.
Sol, that's Sun as well.
That's sun god for Roman, that. So
Ah, right, so Helios must be
Sol on
Greek.
that one and that windy one on the other is.
Yeah, because Mick's got the 200 watt solar panel on there as well. And that all feeds down into the solar storage units over that side, which we'll show you in a bit. But we usually have hurricane force winds down here, but sod's law is there's no wind today.
Yeah, but we know when there is. We're making lucky when we suffer all.
Well, yeah, I mean, if there's no wind, there'll be sun, won't there? It's vice versa, isn't it?
We've had it 20 odd feet, haven't
Zephyrus, wasn't it?
we? Zephyrus.
The spring and summer wind. We need him, don't we? Mind it's not spring or summer, is it?
I've got an eagle on a stick and stuck it on it. That's the wind controller.
That's where the charge goes in and gets distributed, isn't it?
Yeah. when it's green it's charging, and when it's red it's not. That's like you.
Oh yeah, there's a light
That's
on
your
it. Isn't there?
brake for that, so it doesn't send lecky through all the time. Obviously, blow it up, and then them two go off to your battery.
Right, so that'll go off to the battery storage over there in the
Starts
shed.
turning, them should start flashing. Just go stick that on that board there with 2 screws. And we've got our wire there ready for go across the shed.
Sound?
Sorted.
What out, Carruthers? Chocks away! That's ready for taking off, that now. And there's only it's only a slight breeze, really, that, isn't it? This flag's not blowing that well.
Yeah, that's off. It's following it. Tracking the wind. Tracking the wind. Tracking trace.
It's just tracking and tracing the wind, isn't it? Oh, that's brilliant.
Isn't it?
Yeah, so now we've got a bit of wind. It's turning. It has to go about 25, the wind's got to be about 25 miles an hour to get that turning. But it's a 500 watt. Like a dynamo motor setup, really, how that works. Can't see through his flag. Get down here a bit. Yeah, when we get a bit of a breeze, 20 miles an hour plus, it turns. But it's not a particularly windy day down here today. Usually it blows a lot stronger and the flags are all sticking out to the sides. But between the sun and the wind, that's mixed power. What Mick's also got is a wood burning stove that his mate's built for him. It's not on at the moment. It was this morning because it was a bit cold this morning and he set it off. But there it is. Wood burning stove. The flue goes out and up. It's like Thomas the Tank Engine. Actually, it's like the rocket, isn't it? Stevenson's rocket, I suppose. And out through there. So it's more usual conditions today, and the breeze is blowing and it's blasting along that now. It's going to take off any minute, that. Woo! It's running alright, Mick, yeah? He's wiring across there from there. Got the solar on there, that's going across and feeding in as well. And that's blasting along. It's not wobbling at all, that. So we've done a good job of fixing it in. And that comes across, the wire comes across from here.
Is that red light still flashing and that from the underneath?
I couldn't see it flashing, mate, no.
It was before. It was, see the flashing wire there.
Into that charge box.
Oh, it's just flying that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's flashing away, this red light here. So. I'll only that's going to go green when the batteries are charged. You see it there?
I got it, yeah.
Oh, it's just flying there.
Cool, that's brilliant.
Isn't that?
It doesn't look like it's turning so much, but when you actually look at it in reality, you can't even see the blades.
Looking well, mate. Greener us, look at that. See the shadow through it at the back.
Yeah, yeah. So that goes across and then feeds into where the charge controller is.
If I wired it up right with this thing, so it's right from there because it's charging on there. So it's just this box here. I don't know if this is an old box if it's not working. There's only onto in one of my old ones.
Right.
But they're only a tenner anyway, I'll just order one for a win one.
And then it'll feed across then. When it's all tinkered,
yeah, it doesn't get that.
just have to keep social distances. It'll go into there. But obviously the electric has got to be sorted out, the wiring, and then it'll feed his batteries that are in here.
Yeah.
You got 3 in there, haven't you? Is it 3?
Yeah, it's looking anyway.
Yeah. And there you are. That's the end of part 1 of the wind turbine installation. He's just got to get his head around now exactly what might be the issue with the power transfer from that, because it is pumping power out. I mean, it's touted as a 500 watt device, that, but when we've had a look online, I think the maximum that people are getting out of them is about 215 watts. But if that's sort of off and on through the day, we've got a lot of wind down there, and if that's off and on through the day, pumping out around 200 watts, that's going to be charging up day and night, off and on that plot. Those 3 leisure batteries that Mick's got there, and then all through the winter, that can potentially be sort of firing up some heat lamps in his polytunnel or whatever, and keeping that running. I don't see why not. It's just a matter of tinkering it and getting it right. But that's part 1. You'll see probably a part 2 and a part 3 as that develops over on Mick's side. But it's Mick Darbyshire at Old Mac Darby's farm, friend of the channel. He's got his own video channel on YouTube, so I'll put the link down below to that. Please go and check him out, give him a comment, give him a like, and if you like him a lot, give him a subscription and tell him Tony sent you from the little farm. Alright boys and girls, hope you enjoyed that, and we'll catch you later on. Have a good week.